How to cancel items on TEMU. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cancel your orders on the TEMU app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. First thing you want to do is open up your TEMU app, and from here if you tap on the U tab, you will find your orders. You just want to tap on it. And once you get to your orders section, you will find different tabs like all orders, processing, shipped, reviews, and many more. So on all orders, you will find all of the orders that you have received, you have delivered, that has been delivered to you, or products that you have reviewed. And uh, ideally, to cancel any order, you want to head over to the processing tab. And once you get to the processing tab, you can just select the order that you want to cancel and then just tap on cancel order. Once you do that, you can select the reason. You can just select I want to cancel items, and from here you just choose the item that you want to cancel and check it out, and then cancel checked items. So once you do that, you can select a reason again, no longer want the item, and then tap on next, and it will ask you for a refund method. You can do the original payment method, or you can even add your TEMU credit balance. So your original payment method will take 3 to 6 business days, but your TEMU credit balance is pretty fast. It will only take 2 to 4 hours to refund your amount. Tap on submit and your refund is on processing. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.